Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK7 and today we are going to inspect the PTC, the electrical heater which is installed in this car. I'm going to show you how to access it and how to check it for the common fault, which is the electrical connector over here, which will heat up if it's not connected properly, and you will have some burning plastic smell in your cabin, especially in winter when the PTC is on. So what we are going to need is this T20 Torx drive and a flashlight to check it out. So let's access this heater. This is a left-hand drive car, and I'm not sure if this heater is accessible from the left side in all cars, or maybe always from the driver's side. So I'm going to show you how to do it in this car. There's a single screw which we are going to remove. It's over here, and after that we can access the PTC connector. So now with this cover removed, we can check the PTC core over here. I have my flashlight. We have 3 wires. There's a red black, there's a red yellow, and there's a black cable over here, and there's a 4th cable up there, the brown one, which is, I believe, the ground connection. And if there's any sign of burning plastic, of melted plastic, or burning cables over here, most likely this is the cause of the bad smell, and it will fail soon. So you should check this out. You should get into an electrical shop to replace this connector with a proper one, just to make sure that you will not have any issues with the PTC. And this is quite dangerous because actually there's a fire risk over here. And if you have any signs of burnt plastics over there, you should turn on the ignition, wait for the system to turn on, press the menu button, but not this one. Press the menu button on the climate control panel. This will bring up this menu, and press setup in the bottom right corner, and you will have option to disable the automatic supplementary heater. So this will disable the failing component. So we have some more time to fix this connector, just to make sure that it will work properly. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this quick tutorial and tip. Subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.